Hey there! In today's video we're going to dive into an interesting problem involving implicit conversions in C++. So, let's talk about the fascinating issue at hand. The problem arises when calling a callable object that has a const qualified conversion operator to a function pointer. Specifically, we'll explore why the conversion is triggered only when the call operator is invoked, and not when the argument is passed. Quite intriguing, right? Now, let's focus on the solution for this particular problem. The crucial aspect lies in a specific part of the C++ standard related to conversion functions. In this case, we are looking at the definition of a non-explicit conversion function declared in the class, where the conversion type ID denotes the type pointer to function of. This is key to understanding why the implicit conversion takes place in our scenario. Moreover, as we deep dive into the solution, we encounter another essential concept from the C++ standard, the surrogate call function. This function, with a unique name, is considered as a candidate when a non-explicit conversion function is declared in the class. The surrogate call function plays a vital role in enabling the implicit conversion to function pointer type, shedding light on why our initial problem with a callable object was resolved in a certain way. In summary, today we explored a fascinating problem in C++ concerning implicit conversions and the role of conversion functions and surrogate call functions in the process. Understanding these concepts is key to unraveling the mysteries behind certain behaviors in C++. Hopefully, this has shed some light on a complex topic. That's all for today, folks. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!